Are you tired of missing out on important notifications on Facebook when using your PC? Well, worry no more. In this video, we'll show you how to enable notifications on Facebook with the new update. Let's get started. First, open your Facebook account on your PC. Then, next to the web address, click on View Site Information. This will open up a menu where you can access various site settings. Next, click on Site Settings and navigate to the Permissions section. Here, you will see a list of different permissions that you can enable or disable for the Facebook site. Look for the Notifications option and click on the box next to it. This will allow you to control how notifications are displayed on your PC when using Facebook. Finally, choose the option to Allow Notifications. This will ensure that you receive notifications for any activity on Facebook, such as new messages, friend requests, and other important updates. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily enable notifications on Facebook on your PC with the new update. Stay connected and never miss out on any important updates again. Thanks for watching.